Hey there, Boundless Forest. Welcome back to the channel. I've been so excited for this video, I could barely sleep. Today, we're getting our hands dirty and diving into the wonderful world of planting. You know, there's a special kind of magic in taking a tiny seed, giving it a little home, and watching it grow into something amazing. It's one of my absolute favorite things to teach, and I can't wait to share all my tips and tricks with you. We're going to cover everything from picking the perfect spot to giving your new plant the right amount of love and care. So grab your gloves and let's get planting. It's going to be a fantastic journey. If you're as excited as I am, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Let's grow together.